Have you ever thought that your screen is just not big enough? Probably, yeah. What if you could enlarge and sync your phone screen wherever you want? Well, we do have a solution for you. This is BIJOU, the world's slimmest projector designed just for your Apple iOS devices. It's so small that it can completely fit in any kind of pocket. Yeah, even your tight jeans pocket. Not only is it small, but it is also light. The thing is, your iPhone is even heavier than BIJOU. How to use it? Just plug and play. There's no app, no additional setup needed. It's totally user-friendly. As you move BIJOU away from a surface, the screen size will be enlarged accordingly. For optimal usage, have it 2 to 3 meters away from the surface of your choice. BIJOU can scale the size of the screen up to 100 inches. The screen is projected 14 degrees upwards, so you don't need to put something underneath to create the right angle. Thanks to the laser beam scanning technology, there's no need to focus before using, because the beams are more concentrated than other projectors. Not loud enough? The built-in speaker can deal with that. Just push the plus button on the top to increase the volume. It's louder than your iPhone. Now feel free to lay down and chill with your favorite manga, or lay back and enjoy your movie and series. It's up to you. All you have to do is enjoy your life with BIJOU.